the most complex scenarios, the things you may see once in your entire practice, those ultimately seem to me like things that are solvable with sufficient intelligence. And, you solve it as an intelligent human, but it feels to me like a matter of time before we do have the artificial intelligence to solve really all the cases that we expect physicians to solve. And from a kind of like economic perspective and market forces perspective, it does seem like we're sort of beating around the bush a little bit, where like the payers who are paying for all these procedures, our health system seems like it is kind of craving for fully automated, ideally no human labor endoscopy, just like we see with the full self-driving cars. So maybe it's a little uncomfortable now, but I'd love to get your take on, is that the future you also see, and can you put a date on when you think that happens?
So you're saying fully automated colonoscopies where
like the Waymo I took in San Francisco for the hackathon. Yeah.
Well, so when Waymo came out, I think it was a couple of years back, first time. First of all, there were like at least 10 years, 15 years of Google research behind that. And it was only in San Francisco downtown because I wanted to take a Waymo to the airport. It won't take me, right?
Yeah, I just took it. I just took it to the airport. They finally have access to the airport. It's amazing.
Right. And so I mean, what point I'm getting at is the iteration cycle of it and the more learning of it, because there is a reason it was just available in San Francisco downtown, right? And there is a reason that 2 years later now you can take it to that. And we want to be responsible about when it hits the market, right? Even if pivotal trials are great with full automation, you don't know anything till you get to the market.